left my bat at home because I didn't think that would be playing.
Oh, yeah? That's a good one.
Chuck Norris can touch that.
High roll.
Oh, that's a great try.
Nice.
I need to yeah, I know. I get it almost every time. I told you I'm making that tackle.
You don't have to do that.
I want to.
I will normal summon Arcus.
I really hope this works.
Yeah. Basically, you can't target. Yeah, basically, you can't target it. And I mill 2 at the end phase. Something's good?
Yes! That's not that full of death. I can have the cards there.
Don't
Let me know.
Attack. Yeah. So nothing happens. I'm just setting up like end phase. Main phase 2? No, I'll leave it. So end phase. Go ahead. Yeah, these two. Card Trooper and okay.
I just checked that. A lot of
No, that guy came.
Tribute, summon. Celestia. Activate effect. I'm gonna mill 4 and then I'm gonna blow up 2 cards.
16.
Okay.
And even if it's targets, I check.
Nope.
Well, you're gonna go on the BMS.
Nope. Not yet.
Yep. 15 to Vanguard.
Do you run the whole light ray action?
No.
Just one card?
Just pick a light rays. I'm going to special summon Light Ray Daedalus because I have 4 lights in raid. I'm going to Monster Reborn Spirit Reborn. Attack Rabbit.
Best song I ever played during
So you'll take 12. And then I'll hit you for 300.
It's distracting me. It's distracting me. You have to turn it off. Hey, you did the same thing to me last week.
Okay, then minus 300.
Yeah, 300. So you get 65.
Wait, what is that?
I don't know. And then I'm going to steal a card out of your hand. I'm not playing Mind Up, I swear. Go ahead.
Critical trigger.
The next thing he's gonna do is the
Enter battle phase. Attack. And then attack. Discard.
So how can I
Go ahead.
Yeah.
Are you activating that?
I had nothing. Okay, look at one I would have done. Citing these 2 cards just because you're citing. Are you citing morphing jar number 2?
I am.
I saw it. Okay, it's okay.
I mean, it's won me a couple games already. So.
Against what?
6 Sams.
Who's playing Sam's here?
Some kid yesterday. Just randomly playing 6 Sams.
I just gave him 2 cards like in the deck that are like exactly the same, but they're like right next to each other. You videotaping this one too?
We go to game 3, we go to game 3.
Hopefully, when I get packs, hopefully I'll pull it up. What is that?
Set the counter.
Wait, did that repeat?
You want to go first again?
The repeat one.
You going first?
Is it Red Gas Lake? Is it worse?
Draw.
Yep.
Never heard of it. I got it right. I don't know. Maybe when I'm in. Is that it? Yes, sir.
Some plays on the radio all the time. You cut?
Yeah.
Go first.
I'll go first. 2.
Good music.
Angaro.
Okay, I think you're second.
That's literally how the show.
That's why I said that. I watched it for a little bit. And then I got uninterested in the show. Back to level 3 then.
I know a lot of stuff. I have like almost memorized every song and played in my sister's car.
I had 2 in hand last game. It's pretty fun.
Because when I was younger, when I was like 6 or 7, I never had a favorite song, favorite band, favorite anything. So all I did was listen to all of the songs that my sister wanted to listen to. First.
No, you didn't see that.
Okay.
You didn't just see that lined up with the I'm getting this deck on Christmas Day. I'm just borrowing it from my friend today.
Let me guess, you're gonna take 3 damage.
When it's special, back,
I only have 2.
It's in defense.
yeah.
And you maybe overboard.
Respect that.
Yeah.
12?
Actually, none of them. Just in case, I know you're gonna do something.
My turn?
Yeah.
Activate slow recharge.
Oh, I can break wait, it's at 5?
I need a funny down here.
Superior, I only like this.
How many knuckle charges do you play?
3.
I'll take it. I'll take it.
Wait for this game over.
Let me see.
Go ahead.
I'll
That's
give
fine.
3,000 to Galahad.
You don't care if everything bad.
14 to
Hello.
Hey, cranberry song.
How do you feel about that order? Actually, no, I'm not gonna do that. You change people's minds. I think I might be able to beat this turn.
I would hope so.
I have a 5. I have a 5.
Oh, it's crying. In the wheelchair.
How much time do we have in Vanguard?
No. Keep changing it. I don't know, I've never played this time.
Yes, you have. I've seen you play before.
No, not today.
I don't care. Don't lie.
Okay.
Like, besides today.
Awesome. Erection Valley.
Oh, yeah!
What? Stand and skill. And do I get it in game 3?
You cut.
Okay.
It's a level 5 card launch.
Actually, not.
Morphing jar number 2. All your attachments, all your materials go to grave, and all your XYZs go to your extra deck, and that's
15 to
it.
Very good. I like more like dark red, but
Unless you have chalice.
I get more good than turning cards ready.
You got 2 of those.
Do we draw?
No. Nothing happens, because this is destroyed by battle, so I don't get anything. But all your detachments will go to the graveyard.
That would be flips, not flips.
It is a flip. This is a flip.
Not a flip side.
It doesn't matter, it's still a flip. And then all this stuff goes through. Draw trooper.
You shouldn't play ball anymore.
26. 31.
Normal summon?
Chain.
I'm going to chain also. So it loses 800 attack, but it's unaffected by spells. Unless you want to chain something to Forbidden Light.
That's fine.
Activate effect. Discard special. Overlay.
15.
Can I see your grade?
Trigger. Stand trigger. Yep, stay up. And then you
No, well, that's what comes out.
Leviathan?
oh yeah.
Special summon? Activate effect, pay 1,000. Then special summon Lightweight Daedalus. Battle phase, attack, 26. And 3,000. So you should be at 14. Is that right? I don't think so.
24. Said it take me
Yeah.
Remember, because I just special like all these like the first turn. You couldn't do anything.
Oh, I minus myself.
How much? No, it's not game.
Okay. End phase, I'll mill 4.
It's not special, it's just
Go ahead.
No.
move the soul. Go.
Activate effect, pay 1,000.
Shade.
Okay.
Doesn't do anything. You still
Game.
because both of them could have special left.
Yeah, and then if you had a monster, I was going to overlay for Big Eye. And
What
so.
would I draw next?
And then I could still normal Jane, and I had Gores the whole time. 3 games.